Hey friends! Today we are going to draw and color a funny pumpkin. And don't miss the fun fact at the end. First, draw a big oval in the middle for the face.
Good job!
Our pumpkin needs some wiggly jiggly bumps. On the left, draw a big curved line like this.
Perfect!
Do the same step on the right side. Oh, Kitsy, you are super funny. Next, we are going to add a leaf. Draw half circles side by side. And add a tiny stem on its head. Let's bring our pumpkin to life. Draw smiley eyes like this. And draw a tiny triangle for the nose.
You did awesome!
Now let's draw a mouth and give him a big happy smile. Draw a big curved line from left to right. Next, draw a big curve at the bottom to connect the top.
Yes! We did it!
We drew a perfect funny pumpkin. Now, let's start coloring. This part will go faster, but you can pause at the end to match our colors. Wow, our pumpkin looks so funny. It's time for a fun fact. Halloween without a pumpkin is like a party without fun. It's so much fun to decorate pumpkins. Did you know that pumpkins can grow really big? The biggest pumpkin ever was as heavy as a big car. It was presented in California in 2023. How cool is that? See you in the next video.